In order to treat this profitable gold day trading strategy, you just need three things: key level and two moving averages. In this video, I will share with you a full guide how to day trade gold with high accuracy, real example included. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Firstly, remember traders that no matter what strategy you trade, always remember that your analysis always starts with a daily, and on a daily time frame you should always execute structure analysis. You should identify important horizontal supports, horizontal resistances, vertical supports and resistances, the trend lines, and make sure that all the structures that you spotted were important for the market participants in the past, and make sure that from these structures you saw significant bullish or bearish movements. Traders, learn technical analysis, price action analysis, candlestick analysis, and confirmations with my book. Inside you will get everything you need to day trade gold efficiently. For more info, check the link in the description below. And here's how the complete structure analysis should look like. You can see that here on a daily time frame I identified three important horizontal resistances, three important horizontal supports, and one vertical support, the rising trend line. You can see that all the structures were very significant for the market participants in the past. And from these structures, we saw significant movements, and we can assume that in future, once one of the structures is tested, we're gonna see a similar reaction to one of the structures. And then once you executed the structure analysis, it is crucially important for you to let the price test one of the structures. You can see that gold successfully tested that horizontal support. We see the test of structure, and that will be the signal for you to start looking for a day trade. After you spotted the test of structure, you're gonna need the 30 minutes time frame. That is gonna be our main day trading time frame, and on this time frame we're gonna look for a confirmation. We spotted the test of a key support, so from a key support we're gonna expect a bullish movement, and we're gonna need a bullish confirmation, and here the moving average will help. So what I did here, I added two moving averages on our chart. I have the simple moving average, it is going to be orange and it has 5 lengths, and I added the exponential moving average, it has the 9 lengths and it is gonna be blue. Your bullish signal will be the crossover of two moving averages. The simple moving average should cross the exponential moving average. That will be the signal for you to open a trading position. Take a look, traders. Here is the exact moment when we got two moving averages crossover. After this candle closed, it was your bullish confirmation. It was your bullish signal. After you spotted a bullish signal, I strictly recommend to trade from the closest minor structure. You can see that looking left, we got right here a minor structure resistance. You can see that here we got a minor structure that was respected multiple times. Of course, after the violation, it turned into a strong support, and that would be the perfect area for you to open a long position. Entering a trading position, where should be your stop loss? Your stop loss should be below the key structure from where you are trading, and the stop loss should be below the local lows. So your safe stop loss will be below this wax, somewhere here. That would be the safest stop loss for your trade. And only one thing is missing now, the take profit level. And when you're looking for a take profit level for a day trade, analyze the structures on the 30 minutes time frame and identify the closest strong resistance if you're buying. You can see that our closest strong resistance is right here. We have a very nice structure cluster right here. So our target for the trade will be simply just a little bit below that structure. Here will be our take profit, and here will be our stop loss. And that is gonna be your perfect day trade. And here on gold, we can now anticipate a bullish continuation. For shorting, you should look for a test of key resistances. And you can see that just recently the price approached that resistance. So let's check how the price was reacting to that on the 30 minutes time frame. Our bearish confirmation here is the moving averages crossover. We need the exponential moving average to cross the simple moving average. That is our exact signal. That is our entry signal. And once we see the crossover, for us, it is the trigger to open a trading position. And opening a trading position here, our minor structure is right here. That minor horizontal support that turned into resistance after a violation. Opening a position from here, you set your stop loss above the daily resistance and above the local highs. So here is your stop loss. And your take profit is the closest support, the closest strong support that you spot on 30 minutes time frame. Here is your closest support, and here would be your perfect day trade for gold. Remember, traders, that once you added the moving averages on your chart, you're gonna see a lot of moving averages crossovers. And remember that quite often they give false signal. For that reason, we strictly need the test of a key structure, and for that reason, we have such wide stop losses. We will keep the things safe, and for that reason, our stop losses are structure based. Traders, let me know in the comment section which trading strategy do you want to learn in the next video. Also, if you want to learn technical analysis, do not forget to check my ebook, the link in the description below. Traders, thank you for watching, and do not forget to check my other videos.